Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Haw here again. I hope you guys had a nice break and are ready for our next second step lesson. Remember last time we were talking about having different feelings about the same thing? Remember our story card showed a picture of two girls riding on a tricycle. One girl was feeling really excited and happy because she loved going fast, but the other girl, she didn't have the same feeling. Remember, she felt kind of scared and remember the other word? Yep, kind of nervous because she did not like going really fast. Well, we learned that it's okay to have different feelings about the same thing. Well, now let's check in on Max and Molly and see what they're up to today.
Where is it? I dropped my bracelet. I know it's here somewhere. I just can't find it. Ow, that hurt.
Oh, what happened?
Molly knocked me down. I didn't mean to knock you down, Max. Are you okay? I guess so. Still kind of hurts. I wasn't looking where I was going. I didn't see you. I'll help you get up. I hope you're not hurt. I'm sorry. That's okay, Molly. Do you want to play together? Okay.
Molly, you didn't mean to hurt Max. When something happens that you didn't mean to do, it's called an accident. You did the right thing, Molly, by explaining to him that you didn't mean to knock him down. And you did something to help. If you've ever hurt someone by accident, clap your hands 2 times. Yep, everyone has accidents sometimes. When you do something by accident, you have to tell them it was an accident and say sorry, just like Molly did. See you guys later.